What if you could step right into your own garden and instantly soothe your everyday irritations and aching wounds? We've grown so accustomed to reaching for medication to ease our pain, but nature has already provided chemical-free medicinal herbs to handle those very emergencies. Today, I'm going to share 7 incredibly effective medicinal plants that you need to start growing right now. These are tried and true fast-acting plants that deliver instant relief the moment you use them. Hit that subscribe button and let's explore them together. Disclaimer: for educational purposes only, not professional medical advice. Consult your doctor before use. Number 1. Ginger, the rapid nausea killer. Ginger is recognized globally as a culinary staple, but Zingiber officinale is also the single most effective botanical cure for sudden nausea and motion sickness. When you feel that sudden wave of stomach upset, dizziness, or morning sickness, reaching for fresh ginger will calm your digestive tract exponentially faster than any over-the-counter medication. While it is a tropical plant, you can easily grow ginger anywhere if you plant it in a wide, shallow container. It prefers rich, compost-heavy soil and partial shade. The plant grows horizontally underground, producing thick, aromatic rhizomes. You can simply snap off a piece of the root whenever you need it, and the rest of the plant will continue growing happily in its pot. The active compounds that make this work so fast are called gingerols and shogols. When severe nausea hits you out of nowhere, you do not even need to brew a tea. Simply cut a tiny slice of the raw, fresh ginger root and chew on it directly, letting the sharp, spicy juices slide down your throat. Those powerful volatile oils instantly relax the smooth muscles lining your intestinal tract and immediately block the specific serotonin receptors in your gut that trigger the urge to vomit. The warming, settling effect happens in a matter of minutes, completely erasing the nausea. Number 2. Lavender, the instant panic reducer. Lavender is famous for its incredible fragrance, but Lavandula angustifolia is much more than just a pretty scent. It is a highly potent, fast-acting nervine, which means it has the ability to directly and instantly impact your central nervous system. In our fast-paced world, sudden panic attacks, racing thoughts, and intense anxiety can be completely debilitating, and lavender is the perfect immediate grounding tool. This plant absolutely requires full sun and soil that drains perfectly. It hates having wet feet, so planting it on a small mound or in a raised bed with plenty of gravel mixed into the dirt is essential for its survival. Once established, it will reward you with hundreds of vibrant purple flower spikes every summer. When you feel a sudden spike of anxiety or a panic attack coming on, your breathing becomes shallow and your heart races. To stop this instantly, grab a handful of fresh lavender flowers, crush them aggressively between your palms to release the concentrated essential oils, and cup your hands over your nose. The aromatic molecule linalool instantly crosses the blood-brain barrier, immediately slowing down your central nervous system. It acts exactly like a chemical brake pedal for your brain, instantly dropping your heart rate and pulling you out of a state of panic in under 60 seconds. Number 3. Valerian, the immediate sleep inducer. For anyone who has ever stared at the ceiling at 3 in the morning completely unable to quiet their mind, Valerian is the ultimate botanical solution. Valeriana officinalis is one of the most heavily studied sleep aids in the world, renowned for its ability to act as a powerful, rapid-acting sedative that puts you to sleep without leaving you feeling groggy the next day. This is a tall, beautiful perennial that produces clusters of sweet-smelling white and pink flowers. It loves rich, moist soil and will happily grow in full sun or partial shade. While the flowers smell wonderful, the true medicine is hidden underground in its thick, aggressively fragrant root system. The smell of valerian root is notoriously pungent, often compared to old leather or damp earth, but its effectiveness is undeniable. The root contains high levels of valerianic acid, which instantly binds to the exact same calming receptors in your brain that prescription sleep medications target. When insomnia strikes, you chop up a small piece of the fresh or dried root and brew a quick cup of hot tea. Within 20 minutes of drinking it, you will feel a heavy, profound wave of physical relaxation wash over your entire body, immediately shutting down racing thoughts and gently forcing your brain into a state of deep, restorative sleep. Number 4. Catnip, the rapid cramp relaxer. We generally assume that catnip is strictly an entertaining treat for our feline friends, but Nepeta cataria is actually a highly effective, fast-acting medicine for humans. It belongs to the mint family and is heavily loaded with a powerful antispasmodic compound called nipetolactone, which makes it the absolute best instant cure for severe stomach cramps, indigestion, and trapped gas. Because it is a mint, catnip grows incredibly fast and will aggressively spread throughout your garden if you let it drop seeds. It is best to grow it in a dedicated container in full sun, where you can easily harvest the leaves and keep the plant neatly trimmed without it taking over your yard. When you eat something that disagrees with you and suddenly develop sharp, painful intestinal cramps, catnip is your immediate savior. Pluck a large handful of the soft, fuzzy leaves and steep them in hot water to create a mild, pleasant-tasting tea. The strong antispasmodic oils rapidly travel into your digestive system, where they instantly command the cramping muscles in your stomach and intestines to relax. The sharp, twisting pain dissipates almost immediately, and the soothing warmth actively pushes trapped gas out of your system. It works so gently and rapidly that traditional herbalists actually use it as the primary remedy for treating colicky crying babies. Number 5. Echinacea, the throat-numbing flower. Echinacea, commonly known as the purple coneflower, is globally recognized as an immune-boosting supplement, but Echinacea purpurea offers a brilliant instant use that very few people know about. Long before it was stuffed into capsules, Native Americans used the raw root of this plant as a highly potent, rapid-acting anesthetic for severe sore throats and mouth infections. This iconic prairie plant is incredibly tough. It produces massive, striking purple flowers with spiky, raised orange centers. It thrives in poor soil, ignores drought, and acts as a massive beacon for butterflies and beneficial pollinators. It takes about 3 years for the plant to develop a medicinal-sized root, but the wait is absolutely worth it. The secret to Echinacea lies in a group of compounds called alkaloids. If you wake up with a throat that is so swollen and raw that you can barely swallow your own saliva, go dig up a tiny piece of the Echinacea root, wash it off, and chew on it like a piece of gum. Within seconds, your mouth will flood with saliva, and a strong buzzing tingle will spread across your tongue and down your throat. That buzzing sensation is the alkaloids instantly numbing the painful raw tissues, providing immediate powerful pain relief while simultaneously sending a massive jolt of infection-fighting white blood cells directly to the site of the illness. Number 6. Rosemary, the brain fog clearer. Rosemary is a heavy-hitting culinary herb, but Rosmarinus officinalis is also a profound medicinal tool for instant cognitive enhancement. When you hit that afternoon slump, suffer from intense brain fog, or feel completely mentally exhausted, rosemary provides a rapid natural stimulant effect that sharpens your focus far better than a cup of coffee. This evergreen shrub loves baking in the hot sun and requires sandy, dry soil to thrive. It absolutely despises sitting in stagnant water, so growing it in a large terracotta pot is the best way to ensure it lives for decades without suffering from root rot. The intense pine-like aroma of rosemary is caused by a chemical compound called cineole. When you are struggling to focus or dealing with a dull, throbbing tension headache caused by mental fatigue, grab a sprig of fresh rosemary and vigorously rub it between your hands to rupture the oil glands. Cup your hands over your face and inhale deeply. The volatile oils instantly enter your bloodstream through your lungs, immediately stimulating blood flow directly to your brain. This sudden rush of oxygenated blood acts like a splash of cold water to your central nervous system, instantly clearing away brain fog, sharpening your memory, and providing a rapid, clean burst of mental energy without any caffeine jitters. Number 7. Holy Basil, the cortisol crusher. We finish our list with holy basil, also known as tulsi. This plant is revered as sacred in India, and modern science has proven exactly why. Ocimum tenuiflorum is one of the most powerful natural adaptogens on the planet, meaning it has the unique biological ability to instantly regulate how your body responds to severe stress and elevated cortisol levels. Growing holy basil is very similar to growing traditional sweet basil. It loves rich, well-watered soil and plenty of sunshine. It produces beautiful purple-tinged leaves and spikes of delicate pink flowers. By pinching off the flowers, you encourage the plant to grow into a massive bushy shrub that will provide you with endless medicinal leaves all summer long. When you are dealing with overwhelming emotional stress, physical exhaustion, or feeling completely burned out, your body is flooded with the stress hormone cortisol. To stop this damaging cascade instantly, pick a handful of fresh holy basil leaves and brew a warm cup of tea. The powerful phytochemicals inside the leaves act as an immediate biological reset switch. Within minutes of drinking it, the plant actively forces your adrenal glands to stop pumping out stress hormones. You will physically feel the tension drain out of your shoulders, your chest will loosen, and your mind will settle into a state of deep, focused calm. It is the ultimate instant stress relief plant that actively repairs the damage caused by our frantic modern lifestyles. True health independence isn't about rushing to the pharmacy for every minor emergency. It's about planting smarter today and letting nature provide the solutions. You have the power to grow a highly effective instant relief medicine cabinet right outside your back door. Which of these fast-acting medicinal plants will you be adding to your garden first? Drop a comment down below and let me know. If this video has completely changed your perspective on natural first aid, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.